Everybody, it's NCP. Doing an experiment today. I'm gonna take and freeze dry some steak. Now, these are already frozen, obviously. I'm gonna do these sous vide. They're already seasoned. I already seasoned them. But this one here is a leftover steak from my last dinner. So as you can see, it's already cooked at 32 degrees for an hour in sous vide. So that makes it, medium. A little less medium. Medium, somewhere around medium rare. But I'm going to freeze dry some steak, but I want to cook it first because hot water cooks your steak. So if I freeze dry it, excuse me, I have to reheat it one day, or it's raw meat. Now, make hay while the sun shines, they say, or learn skills and do things while resources are plentiful, and that's what we're doing today. So I'm going to find out if I can take a freeze-dried steak, or this steak in this case, an already cooked steak, and reheat it back to right where it was. It'll be the same as this one. I'll do a comparison. Right where it was, but I don't want it cooked anymore. So if it's raw, it's raw meat. If it's cooked, I can just eat it. Now it'll probably taste like cardboard, but I'm gonna freeze dry it. But we'll see. That's neither here nor there, because I can always reconstitute it back to the original state. But I want to know if I can reconstitute a freeze-dried steak. So I'm taking a steak that was already cooked, and I'm reheating it exactly the way it was, or like this, and we're gonna see. So I want to know if it'll be the same thing as it was before, or if it'll reheat, because otherwise I'll cook it less, and then we'll do a bunch of experimentation with the freeze dryer and such. But so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more seasoning on this, and then I'm gonna just sous vide this one. I'm not gonna waste the bag on it, but I'm gonna just drop this down in water and seal it up that way, and just add some seasoning to it. There's some on there, but it's probably washed off. So yeah. So all right. So I'll be back in a little bit when we're all done, when the steaks are ready. I'll be back. So here we are. I put the sear on them, on hers and mine. So here's where mine is. Cut that in the middle. Okay, so mine got a little more well done. That's like medium well. Okay, so it did cook a little bit more. For hers, this is how originally mine was. So it did cook more. If you look at the differences here. Mine did cook a little bit more. So now we know, but that's okay. I'll just cook these down to a lesser temperature, where they're still safe, but that is better. Let's be honest with you. All right, guys, NCP. I'm gonna grab my steak and fries. And notice she gets the bigger steak because. Well, I don't know. Not because no, because I don't eat that much anymore. I have more fries. So, all right, guys. Have a good one. NCP out. Now we know. Sous vide reheating does apparently cook a little bit more. So I'll have to sous vide at like a temperature 2 degrees less to be back where it was. So on the reheat. So there we go. All right, guys. NCP. Oh, you know what? Actually, you know what? Mine might be better because of the searing. I put the flame torch back to it, so maybe I cooked it more. We'll have to do that's good. We'll have to do an updated video here in the future, but they might still be the same. But I'll try cooking a little less next time. All right, guys, NCP out. Have a good one.